Hey guys, we got our last and final teaser from Call of Duty today before the reveal event tomorrow for Black Ops 4. They've been doing a series of these teasers, and I think we're up to 5 now. This is the 5th one. I'll loop it for you guys right here so you can check it out, and I'm going to do a breakdown of it. I think I've identified what a couple of things are in this teaser. Out of all 5 teasers, you would think that one of them would at least have some zombies information, and a lot of people are thinking that, yeah, this one definitely is zombies. There was an interesting response to this teaser by one of Treyarch's developers. This guy here, Kevin Whirl, he is one of the lead, I think, level designers for the zombie side, with this guy being on the zombies side of Treyarch, and he hardly ever tweets. And for him to respond like this with this GIF, it makes me think that maybe the GIF is definitely zombies. And with him responding "what's tomorrow" with the thinking emoji, it makes me think that maybe we could see something that's going to show a little bit of zombies. Now going back to the GIF, I'm just going to take a short section of it and then I'm going to slow it down and I'm going to play it forwards and backwards on a loop. So to me, what this looks like is obviously you see an arm holding something and there could be a table right there with instruments on it. It looks like the arm has a long stick and it is putting it inside of a cylinder type object, stirring it, and then pulling it out and kind of dabbing it, and then putting it back in and stirring it. Obviously I have it on loop, but you can see here, yeah, it's about to put it in it, stir it, pull it out, dab it, back in, stir it, pull it out, dab it. So we've had a few clues that lead us to alchemy related to zombies, and a lot of people think that this is an alchemy scene from zombies. I've seen some people speculate that they think that this person is holding a blood vial, but I don't think that's what that is, because when they put it inside of the cylinder type object, they are clearly stirring it. So I think that is what they're doing. They're just stirring something. And I'm speculating that it is probably some type of beaker. And yes, this is an alchemy scene and it is a stir stick and also a beaker. And I think I also see a bottle to the right of that beaker. So I'm going to take a still frame right here, and this is where I see the cylinder, beaker, and the stir stick, and then the bottle on the right. And this definitely matches up with the idea of alchemy and a scientist or alchemist running experiments. And here's a screenshot right here on the left. On the right of that picture, there is a beaker with stir stick, so that's pretty common. And then all the way to the left, you can see an older bottle. It's got an old label on it. I really feel like that is what is on the far right inside this scene. And it would just be representing some kind of ingredient or potion. Also going back to the actual GIF itself and playing it forwards and backwards, I think there might be some type of mask or skull that is on the table next to this equipment. Right here I'm pointing out where I think it is, and then I'll remove the image and maybe you guys can see it too. It almost looks like a nose and mouth and some eyes. It looks like it might be more of a mask than a skull. It's possible that they're just going after the representation of, you know, ancient alchemy and putting a skull on the table. Not sure what the function of it was, but yeah, it's possible. And then it's also possible that it is the mask that we saw the person holding in the image that Treyarch had tweeted. And this is the person right here that was in that image. But it seems like we're getting a lot of clues to alchemy, so it looks like that's the direction this could be going. I'd also like to give a huge shout out to Zeroy and Harry. They put these models together to give us a better idea of what it could be like if we are going to go back and we're going to go to the time of premise. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.